Hey guys, this is Basant here and welcome back in this channel. So in this video, I am going to review a tool with the help of you can make your prompting better, whether it's for the ChatGPT, Claude or the Gemini here. So this is the prompt engine and right now available on the App Sumo with the super affordable pricing of the $29. Yes, you have to just buy the one-time payment of the $29 and you can generate the 200 prompts per month, high quality output. Let me give you an example here first. So this is the prompt I have generated with just some detail here. Create a retail script outline for a VO3 video featuring a young girl visiting and vlogging the New Delhi market. So this is the simple prompt I have given like a beginner here, but this is the output I get with the prompt engine. This is steps, introduction, okay, the exploration, the market arrival, all this step-by-step command has given, and this is the output here. So this is the magic you can do with the prompt engine. No matter if you don't know what is the prompting, how to do it, how to add the details, how to add the steps, you don't know these steps, no worries, just use the prompt engine, add the simple English plain words of describing the thing you want to generate or the describing your prompt, and it will then turn it into the professional prompting for you that you can use anywhere, no matter it's the ChatGPT, the Gemini, the Claude, the Llama, any other platform or the major AI models. You can use these prompts here. So without wasting any more time, let me give you a detailed step-by-step tutorial here. So once you got its lifetime deal, the link will be given in the description, and I am also giving out the free bonuses of the 100 plus prompts you can use anywhere, okay, no matter it's for your text, the blogs, the video generation or the image generation. You will find that bonus link in the description as well here. Now once you got the lifetime deal, this is the platform you are going to log in, and the first thing you are going to be super happy after seeing is that its user interface. It's super neat and clean. All you have to just go to the generate, and after that they describe the task or the idea for the prompt. For example, I want to create a blog post on how to make a sushi here. Let me edit how to make a sushi, generate a blog on this. Okay, so this is a simple prompt like a beginner I have given. Now after that I have to select the preferred AI model. So we have the ChatGPT, we have the Claude, Gemini, Llama and the Mistral here. So right now I'm going to select the ChatGPT, and here on the next step I have also open up the ChatGPT here. Okay, so this is the free variant. You can see I am using the ChatGPT free variant here. So now let me back here and click on the generate. So it will take your prompt idea that you have given, this simple English plain words I have given you in front of the you. Now you can see this is the generated prompt for me. So this is the steps, the ingredients and the tools, the preparation, the rolling the sushi, cutting, the serving, tips, tricks, conclusion, and this is the output format. Okay, so now I have to copy all this. Okay, so simply I have to click here on this copy button. So now my prompt is copied here. So this is the super advanced prompting. Okay, this is the pro or the expert how do it to the ChatGPT or the AI other models for giving the information or the command. So okay, so now I have the prompt. Now I will go to the ChatGPT free variant here, enter my prompt and click here on the enter. That's all. Now you will see the magic here with the detailed prompt. You can see how to make sushi at home, a beginner's guide to delicious maki rolls. Okay, so I haven't given the any command to title or the introduction or the layout, which kind of the format is going to be used in the blog post, but the prompt engineer has that given out. Okay, so this is the output I am getting for my sushi making blog post sushi. Okay, so this is the ingredients and the tools, this is the preparation, this is the rolling, tips and tricks, conclusion, and this is how it's done. Okay, so this is the power of prompt engine here. Now let me give you the one more example here. Now this time I want to generate an image. Okay, so I will give a image prompt.
Generate an image of young girl in Delhi market buying balloons from a zookeeper but in lion dress.
Okay, so this is the prompt I have given for my image generation. Okay, and now I have selected the GPT model here, click here on the generate, and now it is going to give me the detailed step-by-step prompt here. Okay, so this is the prompt. Now simply I will copy it, get back to the ChatGPT, and here I will add this time I'm generating the image. So all this stuff's already given in the my prompt here, so I don't do anything. So simply click here on the enter, and now let's see what is the output I am going to get here. Let's see here. I'm really excited to check it out. Okay, let's see. Okay, it haven't generated the prompt for me. Okay, I have to go to this image library, I think. Here, yeah, I have to go in this image library, and here I have to enter the prompt. Okay, now I have given my prompt, and now it will generate the image for me. Okay, so look at this. So this is the image it has generated, and let me open up a new tab so I can show you in the full details. You can see I am really speechless here. I have didn't given the such details here, but the prompt engine I got it here. So this is the just the few examples I have given you, and you can use for everything. Whether you want to generate the emails, the marketing copy, the text blog post, the images, the videos, so much things you can easily use the prompt engine here. So with just the $29, this is the super affordable. And if I talk about its official pricing, let me show you. It is starting from the $9 per month, in which you are getting the same 200 prompts generation per month. But I think paying around the 3 months of the pricing, you are getting the lifetime access here. So actually this is making the sense that you don't need to miss out this tool here. So that's all for today's video I want to talk about. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe this channel. I have also attached the bonuses link in the description, so make sure you also check that out. And in my channel I regularly create the videos on the AI and the SaaS and the so many crazy AI stuff going on. So make sure you also subscribe this channel to stay updated. Bye bye, take care, and I will see you in the next one.